When did you know you wanted to work on your public speaking skills? When did you know you want to look confident? You want to speak confidently? You want to present yourself in front of people? When did you know? And a question arises, when you know you want to work on all of these things, why you are not confident yet? Why you are not able to present yourself? Why you feel nervous? Why you feel conscious while speaking? The reason is you don't have the clear path. You don't know what are the structured step-by-step process which can make you confident, which can help you to improve your speaking skills. What are the practices you need to perform to increase your confidence, to increase the level of your speaking skills? No one guided you how to do that. Think about this. You studied math, physics, chemistry, biology, or environmental science, or whatever. But who taught you how to speak better? Who taught you how to look confident while speaking in front of people? How to present yourself? How to structure your thought so that you can express yourself in a better way? Think about this. Who taught you how to manage your nervousness? Who taught you how to eliminate your fear? Think about this. No one, right? No one told you, no one guided you, no one gave you the step-by-step process, no one took you from nervous to confident. And because of that, you are not confident enough. You are not speaking the way you always wanted to. So if you think you are bad at speaking, you are wrong, my dear friend. You are wrong. The reason is you are not trained. You have no idea how to do it. Hi, I am Rajan Chaube, your public speaking coach. I have a good news for you. I am coming up with 30 video series where I will be taking you to the journey of becoming a great public speaker. Where I'll start from how you can start your public speaking journey and how to become an exceptional good in public speaking. The reason of this series is the pain most people are ignoring. Most people are not able to communicate their pain of not being confident, not able to present, not able to give what they really want to, not able to express their emotion, their word, their knowledge to the world. That's why I'm coming up with this series. In each video, I'll train you how to grow your mindset, your voice, your delivery, your confidence, and your stage presence. My dear friend, every video will be really helpful for you to grow as a public speaker. Each video I'll be sharing where you will get the action step. You will get what you need to do every single day to improve your speaking skills. Before I give you the roadmap, I want one promise from you. That is, I want 10 minutes of yours, 10 minutes for doing the practice. You have to do the practice every single day so that you can feel the transformation. You can see the transformation. You can change yourself, the way you speak, the way you present, the way you feel confidence, the way you make people listen. I promise you, I'll put 2 to 3 videos every single week for learnings and implementing the things what I'm teaching you. The reason I'm putting 2 to 3 videos because I want to have 1 or 2 days in between the videos where you will practice, you will do the things what I taught you. Speaking is just like a gym. The more you do, the better you become. And I promise, after 30 videos, you will feel more magnetic. You will feel more confidence. You will have no nervousness. You will be able to make people listen to you. And that is what everybody wants. So promise me, you will do it. So I have divided this transformation into 5 phases. First is break the fear. That is, in this phase, you will be learning about how you can overcome your anxiety, your fear, how you can reprogram your mindset, how you can start speaking so that you can just start going with the transformation. In second phase, you will be learning how to find your voice. You have to build the clarity, what you are going to speak, how to create a flow, how to speak stronger with the quality. In phase 2, we will be learning this. In phase 3, we will be learning about speak with a style. My dear friend, everybody has their own style. Everybody has the unique way of speaking. I'll be building your unique style. जैसे आप बात करते हो, जैसे आप कम्युनिकेट करते हो, जैसे आप अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करते हो. यू जस्ट डोंट नीड टू कॉपी एनीबडी एल्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड. यू हैव टू स्पीक इन योर वे. You will be learning the body language, eye contact, gesture, smile, how you can add energy to your content or a structure of your speech, and you will be learning how to record yourself and practice. In phase 4, you will be learning with real situation and real talk. This is the name of phase 4, where you speak effectively in meetings, interviews, stays spontaneous. Suppose if somebody asks something, or if somebody says to you, speak on this topic for 2 minutes, and you don't know how to structure yourself, how to structure your thought. So there you will be learning impromptu, you will be learning how to start the conversation, you will be learning how to speak in a way where people love to listen to you. And the fifth one is own the stage. How you can build your unique style, become memorable, and inspire an audience, where you will know how to make your style signature style. You will learn how to speak like a leader, inspire without sounding pitch. Your final speech, you have to make 3-minute speech for your public speaking journey. This is what we will be learning in 30 video series. If you want to transform your life, this is the basic blueprint you have to follow. I promise you, if you complete this series and do every activity I want you to do, then I promise that you will see the drastic change in your speaking styles, in your confidence, in your presentation skills, in your body language, in your gesture, in your posture. Everything will be changed, and you will see new you in yourself. And if you are with me in this transformation journey, just comment, I am with you, and I will take you to the journey. And if you want your friend, your family member, and anybody else you really want to transform their life, just share this video to them so that they can also improve themselves. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay tuned for the next and the first video of this series. Thank you so much.